Let's solve this interesting Find the Missing Number puzzle using logic and patterns. Let's check first column. The cube root of 64 is 4. Now add this 4 to the first number in the column, which is 7. 7 plus 4 equals 11, and that matches the third number in the first column. Let's check second column. The cube root of 27 is 3. Add 3 to the first number, 11. 11 plus 3 equals 14, which matches the third number in the second column. Now let's apply the same rule to the third column. The middle number is 8, and the cube root of 8 is 2. The first number in the third column is 14. 14 plus 2 equals 16. So the missing number is 16. This puzzle follows a simple rule. Take the cube root of the middle number and add it to the first number to get the last number. If you enjoyed this logical number puzzle, don't forget to like, subscribe, and try solving the next one before the answer is revealed.